It's like I'm next to you, but baby, your world's too heavy. Trapped in my thoughts, losing consciousness.